is Hernandez, and today we are going to talk about the parts of a plant, okay? Because remember last week we were talking about the plant life cycle, and we learned that it starts with the seed, and then it begins to sprout, and then it becomes a seedling, and then it grows into a full adult plant, and this one was the flower. And then it just keeps going. The seeds from the flower will go into the ground and start growing again. And so now let's focus on the flower. Okay, and there are just 5 parts that I want you to really remember, to really learn. And we'll start from the bottom. The first one is the roots. Okay, let's spell it out. R-O-O-T-S, roots. And the roots are like the little hairs that are at the bottom in the ground, and they will go and they hold the plant down in the ground real good. And the important part about the roots is that it's what helps the plant to get the water that it needs and the nutrients. So when it rains, or if you are watering your plants, the water will go into the ground and the roots will soak up that water, and the roots will then take it up. And what helps it to go up is next the stem. S-T-E-M, stem. And so the water will go up the stem, kind of like a straw when you're drinking from a straw. So the water starts here, and the stem sucks it all the way up, all the way to the leaves and the flower. And so yeah, these here are the leaves. Okay, let's spell it out. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. And so how many leaves do you see on this plant? Let's count them out together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves, good job. And so the leaves, that's actually like the nose of the plant. The air goes in and out of the leaves, and so that is how it breathes. Of course, it doesn't have a nose like ours, so it has to use the leaves. The oxygen comes in, and then it will come out also. So it goes in and out of the leaves, in and out, in and out. And that is how it's breathing, through the leaves. All the leaves will do that. And then next, when we go up, we have the beautiful, beautiful flower. Okay, that is my favorite part, the flower. Let's spell it out. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And then here we have lots and lots of little bitty seeds. Okay, seeds. So one right here by itself is the seed. S-E-E-D, seed. And so that is the part of a flower. Okay, the different parts of a flower, there's 5, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you see the little seeds here, hopefully one day they would go off and fly off, land in the ground, and then the roots will start growing. This is what will happen. A little seed will land in the ground, and then it'll start to sprout. And then the roots begin to grow, and then it'll start growing up to make another plant just like this one. And that's how it keeps going, okay? Again, the plant life cycle. And so now it's going to be your turn to draw this. Pretty much you can copy it almost exactly. You can color the flower however you want to color it. But remember, the stems and the leaves, those are green. The dirt, the soil, the ground, it is brown. The roots, you can make them a brown color. And then make sure you draw a pretty flower, whatever color you want. And then draw some seeds in the middle, okay? Draw some seeds. And make sure once you finish drawing, you need to write the names, okay? So you also need to label it. You need to put the names of each part. So make sure you write stem, seed, flower, leaves, and roots. And draw a little arrow to show people where it is. Draw the little arrow showing, okay? Little arrows. Okay? So now it's your turn. Don't forget to write your name on the top of the paper and also the title, parts of a plant. Okay? I hope to see lots and lots of beautiful drawings as well as the labels. Right? Have a great day, students. Bye.